Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go through all of the new dresses, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So first are these new fit and flare dresses from Free Assembly. They have the thicker strap, squared neckline, seam detail flows out, and then it's seam fit through the back. Comes in this floral print, they're $36. And then it also comes in the denim, and they're also $36. Also new dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin strap, the little twist fit, and then the drop tier with the smocking in the back. And these are $26. New dresses from Celebrity Pink. So these are just about to be put out. They have this smocked with the little tie, smocking under the bust, drop tier, and then the seam fit through the back. Comes in this like peachy pink, and then also a yellow floral. That's what that looks like, and they're $26.50. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this reminds me so much of House of CB. It has the thin strap, the scoop, the little tie, seam detail on the waist, flowy with the smocking in the back, and then a new dress from No Boundaries. So these are a little different than the other dresses. These have thin strap, and then the material at the top is a little different, but it has a poplin skirt, also has pockets with the seam in the back. Also added these dresses from No Boundaries to the website. So these have the thin strap, that crochet top, tiers all the way down, and then the seam fit through the back in the black and beige, also that green, and they're $17.98. New t-shirt dresses from Time and True. These have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, longer length with the slit, and then the seam fit through the back with the little pocket. Comes in the white and blue. There's also the black with the white, the purple acid wash, and then the black acid wash, and they're $13.98. Also new dresses from Time and True. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, midi length, or it's maxi length. These are longer with the seam in the back. They're very nice and stretchy. In the green, there's also pink and black, and they're $13.98. New tier dresses from Time and True. These have that little tie detail, flutter sleeve. It's a poplin material, tiers and flowy through the front and back in this pink kind of scroll print, also the white and green, and they're $16.98. Also new utility style dresses from Time and True. These have the smaller collar lapel, this little shoulder detail, two front pockets, elastic in the waist, it scoops in the middle so it comes up in the sides, and then that seam in the back. They're $18.98, and it comes in the green, also in this linen, in the solid black. These are so nice. New flutter sleeve dresses from Time and True. So these have that V design, this little ruching, flutter sleeve, nice and flowy. It's midi length with the smocking in the back. They are going to be $19.98. New t-shirt dresses from Time and True. So these have a crew neckline, relaxed sleeve. It's about knee length. This is the extra small, so it is more oversized. In the black and white stripe, also the pink. There's an olive and black, and they're $9.98. New colors in this dress from Time and True. So we saw it in this purple last week. Now it comes in the navy, green, and then a print. So it has the smocking around the neckline, buttons up until the tier. Also comes with the belt. I also shared this one in a try-on in my last video. Comes in that navy. There's the print option. It's a black and white, and the green, and they're going to be $19.98. New eyelet dress from Free Assembly. They have that plunging V, puff sleeve, elastic in the waist with a little drawstring, drop tier, that seam fit through the back. Comes in red, also in the white eyelet, and they are going to be $34. Tie front dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that scoop neckline, the little tie detail, elastic, fit and flare with the balloon sleeve, elastic through the back. Comes in red, also in the white. They're $34. So new scuba dresses from Scoop. These have that higher neckline, has that thick little like trim with the underarm coverage. Relaxed fit, has the side pocket, also has the slits on the side. That's what the material looks like on the inside. And then the same fit through the back. Comes in gray, also in black. and they're $24. New t-shirt dresses from No Boundaries. These have that scoop neckline, cap sleeve. They're short and fitted through the body. In the pink, also comes in blue. There's that gray. I also saw it in black in another store. They're only $5. Fruit dresses from Time and True. So these have a squared neckline, balloon sleeve, seam detail at the waist. It flows out. I love this print, but they didn't have my size, so I showed this one in the last haul. I love it. It's so comfortable, the quality's so good, and they're $18.98. And then they also have it, this is also in that same listing. This is a textured, but it has the same cut in the pink. They have a new dress from Time and True. So this one has that plunging V, the little ruched detail. Fabric covered buttons, those are functioning with the little wrap. Elastic through the waist with a drawstring. Drop tier, also has pockets. Same fit through the back in the blue, also comes in white, and they're $19.98. New dresses from Time and True. So these have that V neckline, the little flutter sleeve, this ruched detailing. Flows out with the smocking in the back, and they're $19.98. New dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, square neckline, that seam detail, fit and flare. The zipper in the back also has pockets, and they're $36. New dresses from Time and True. So these are a stretchy material at the top. It has that scoop neckline, sleeveless, textured skirt, nice and flowy, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the ivory, also in black, and they are $17.98. New corset dresses from Madden NYC. These have the thin strap, that seam detail, balloon skirt, and then smocked in the back. Comes in white, also black, and they're $21. New dress from Time and True. So this one has the smaller collar, full button, has the little drawstring with the dolman sleeve. You can pull that in. Elastic in the waist, belt, flowy with pockets. Has the elastic going all the way around. In this linen, also comes in a blue. It's also that linen texture. There's also two print options, a black and white and beige palm, and then also the white, green, and teal, and they're $22.98. New tier dresses from Madden NYC. These have the thin strap, that V neckline, the little cutout with the crochet tiers, and then square in the back with the adjustable straps. In the pink, also comes in the light blue, and they are going to be $21. Also new from No Boundaries are these crochet dresses. So they have the thicker strap, that plunging V. It's an open knit with a little bit of a silver shimmer. Midi length with the slit, and then it also has the V in the back. And these are $20. And also new color in this dress from Madden NYC. It has the thin strap V neckline. It's an open knit through the body with the slit, and the square on the back with adjustable straps. We saw it in the white. Now it comes in the coral, and they're going to be $20. Also new in that full denim are these dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that relaxed sleeve. It's a full button, belted waist. I love the fit and flare. It's very flattering. I feel like this one's perfect for all body types, and it's going to be $32. And I've talked about this one in previous videos, but there's so many new full denim looks. This one's from Lee. It has the smaller collar, snap buttons, the snap pockets. I can't believe this is the last one. They were like fully stocked not even a week ago, and these are $28.98. Also new overall dress from Lee. So this one has the adjustable strap, the two pocket seam detail, comes up high in the back with pockets, comes in the white, also in the denim, and they're $29.98. Also new dresses from Athletic Works, and these are on the buttercore material. It's a really good dupe for the Lululemon all line dress. So this one has that higher neckline, sleeveless, the ruching on the side, midi length, and then it is raised through back. Comes in green, also in black, and they're $16.98. New dresses from No Boundaries. So this is that soft microfiber material, has this little knotted detail, thin strap, padded cups, midi length, seam through the back in the brown and white. These are $10. It also comes in that burgundy and pink floral. And then also new are these little twist dresses from No Boundaries. So they have the thin strap, that twist detail, midi length, fitted through the front and the back. And these are also $10. They also have the new tier dresses from No Boundaries. So these are the wrap style, elastic, flowy in the black. The tie also comes in the green and pink. And these are $12.98. New dresses from Sophia Vergara. So these have that plunging V, flutter sleeve, seam detail under the bust, has that drop tier. It's a nice stretchy kind of textured fabric. Same fit through the back in the green and white palm. Also comes in that red, pretty, and they're $28. Also new Sophia Vergara cutout dress. This one has that plunging V, the puff sleeve, this little cutout detail. It's flowy. And then that same fit with elastic in the back. Comes in this blue and white. Also this floral print. And they are $28. So first are these now, it says double cloth skirt. I thought maybe it was a dress. So it has that oversized smocking. It flows out. I think you could wear it as a dress if you wanted. It's not too short. In the pink, also navy, there's white and black, and they're $16.98. New dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that scoop neckline. It has the padded top. I usually will just cut a little slit and remove it. Faux buttons, drop tier with the little slit, and then it's squared in the back. They did have a similar style last year. I think there was different colors though. And these are going to be $17.98. Also in the lace are these dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the cap style sleeve, V neckline, the little tie detail, seam under the bust, it flows out, and then the seam in the back. Also comes in the ivory and the pink, and they're $12.98. New poplin dresses from Scoop. So these have that rounded neckline. It's a zippered front, has the balloon sleeve, the little belt, flowy. They have a similar top that we saw a couple months ago, like a month. And then that same fit through the back. Comes in the white, also in black, and these are $30. New tier dresses from No Boundaries. So these have that wrap style front, elastic in the waist, flowy with the tie in the back. Comes in the green, also in the black and white, and they are $12.98. New color in the flutter sleeve dress from Free Assembly. So this has that ruffle trim, flutter sleeve, buttons all the way down, elastic in the waist with the belt, same fit through the back. They had a different style in the stripe, that's it. So now this is a new style. It also comes in the blue and white stripe, and they're going to be $32. Also new print in this belted dress from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full button on the wrist, flows out. I have it in that stripe. And they are, this might be an online only color combo. And then also new is this ruffled dress. So this one has that ruffled trim, button up into the waist, elastic button on the wrist. You could see that drop tier. It's a belt to bring it in, that same fit through the back. And this one's also online only. Also new drop tier dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the smaller collar, snap buttons, 2 front pockets, oversized balloon sleeve with that drop tier at the bottom. You could see the gathering, nice and flowy. In the olive, also comes in navy, and they're $32. Also new satin halter dress from Scoop. So this one has that little twist detail, sleeveless, elastic in the waist, pleated flowy skirt, and then it continues around the back with a little keyhole with the fabric covered buttons, and they're $38. New dress from Scoop. So this one has the drop sleeve, the little tie detail, has the elastic, also elastic in the waist, a flowy skirt, and it continues around the back, the elastic on both. In this blueprint, also comes in the black, and they are going to be $36. We also brought back these tier dresses from Time and True. So these have that crew neckline, short sleeves, tiers all the way down, nice and flowy with pockets. In the navy, also comes in teal. They have it black and green, and they're $11.98. Also new gauze balloon sleeve dress from Time and True. So this one has that scoop neckline, has that oversized puff sleeve, functioning buttons with the belt. It's a flowy fit, little slits on the side, that same fit through the back, and they're $20. Also new longer t-shirt dresses from Time and True. So these have that scoop neckline, it has that short sleeve. These are super soft and stretchy, has the little pocket, belt to put it in, longer length, I would say midi length, relaxed fit, and then that same through the back. Comes in the black, also in the black and white stripe, and think these are online only. This one says $14.98. Also, new color in this halter dress from Sophia. So we saw this color last week. Now it's in this black and white, like watercolor kind of animal print. Has the gathered neckline, the little side cutout, flowy, and then open in the back. So that's what it looks like in the black and white. And they are going to be $32. Sleeveless, nice and flowy. You could size down. And these are pretty relaxed fit, and they're stretchy, and they have that seam detail in the back with pockets. They brought back the coral, teal, there's a camel and white stripe, and then also the solid black, and they're still $9.98. And right next to that, a new dress from Jessica Simpson. This has that ruffled trim, the flutter sleeve, plunging V neckline, elastic at the waist, longer length, tiers all the way down, and then the seam fit through the back. And they are going to be $40. Also new midi length dresses from No Boundaries. These have the puff sleeve, the little tie detail, seaming. It's a midi length, has the little slit, and then the zipper in the back. And these are $16.98. It also comes in this yellow and blue floral. I love all these dresses. These have the thicker strap, scoop neckline. They have the pads, faux buttons, and then it's squared in the back. In the lime, also in the light blue, and they're $12.98. Those prints also come in this from Joy Spun. So these have the thin strap V neckline, relaxed fit in that blue and white. There's that black floral, the mint polka dot, the pink polka dot, solid black, and the lemons, and these are $9.98. They're $34. Also new prints in the sleep shirt from Joy Spun. So these have that crew neckline. It's a relaxed fit. Now in this Hello Summer blueprint, we saw all the Valentines. There's this black with the stars. The prints in this nightgown from Joy Spun. This one has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, flowy fit with the slits on the side. In the leopard, also comes in that black floral. There's a gray stripe and that black floral, and they are going to be $14.98. Caftans from Joy Spun. These have that plunging V, flutter sleeve, it's open, this little elastic, flowy through the front and back. In the pink floral, also in that blue, there's that black, a black and white, this white and blue palm, the blue and white scroll, and they're $16.98. Then in the same material, they have these nightgowns. These are so soft, flowy, thin strap, that scoop neckline, the gathering, maxi length. In the blue and purple, there's this white and blue scroll. It's really pretty. I think you could even wear this as a dress, like belted, sandals, denim jacket. There's this pink floral, and they're $16.98. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.